guys, let's do it. Where's Albert?
Who's driving this thing?
There it is.
Let's go, baby.
Alright guys, that's it. We're headed to OPTO 22, but something's missing. There we go. We're doing a quick charging check. So back here we got the charging station, and we got a adapter right here. Oh, you can't even see shit. And that's basically how we're gonna be charging while we're on the go, while we're on the road trip. So back to the drive. Yeah, this ND is so legit. I just adjust this.
Yeah.
And just get the right exposure, right? It's too dark. Now it's good. Now maybe a little bit too bright. I'm losing too much background. And right there, I got the histogram. I got the focus peaking. I can't wait to get that new small rig mount. What do you think, dude?
I think that'll be sick.
Industry 4.0 is everywhere, dude. Working here at OPTO 22, guys, so let's go check it out. See you.
It's been a while.
Yeah. Well,
hey, man.
May wasn't that long ago. It seems like.
I know.
Right?
Just so much happens in so little time
really
nowadays.
I could use a second cup of coffee if you don't mind.
We got you set up.
How long have you been at OPTO now?
25 years, something like that. Yeah. So it's a great gig.
I couldn't think of a better spot to visit because, for Industry 4.0, you guys are kind of leading the charge as far as, not only the embedded controller, like the end devices, but also the software that kind of runs on it. It's like that line is kind of getting blurred a little bit.
Yeah, it is, and for us, it certainly is that combination of hardware and software and how well they work together to achieve a given task. But it's also critical that all those software choices are made with broad developers in mind. In other words, it could be an instrumentation tech all the way to a Java developer, and you need to give them a platform that each of them can do the job in one way or another. The building itself is about 160,000 square feet.
I'm working here is 30 years. I like OPTO 22 like a family.
Yeah.
I like my work.
Where are you from? Where are you guys from?
From Laos.
Laos?
Laos.
Okay.
By Thailand.
Okay. When you first started working here, how has it changed since 30 years ago?
Right now we kind like busy. Before we not too busy. Everything product is better. I mean more.
What would you say is the most rewarding part about your job? Awesome.
I like everything because it's friendly. Co-worker is nice.
You guys have families?
Yeah, same thing.
Who do you have at home with your family?
Yeah, my kid one in OPTO 22. My daughter is a teacher right now in Riverside County.
One of your
One of
daughters
my
works here?
yeah,
Or?
in OPTO 22.
Oh.
I'm working here with my husband.
Yeah.
It's 30 years here and my family. I got everything.
Awesome.
I got everything. I would like to say introduce our company for OPTO 22 number one.
We just finished the tour with OPTO 22, and now we're getting the gear, about to set up for the interview. So let's check it out. Hey guys, we're here with Benson Hougland, and we're here at OPTO 22 headquarters in Temecula, California. And we just had an amazing tour, so you guys are in for a really awesome video. And there's also a full-length podcast, which will be part of the Industry 4.0 documentary. Benson, what do you have to say?
Hey, we're just excited you guys could come by and take a look at what we're doing here. We're building tools for engineers and software developers to, imagine their dreams, and we make it all right here in Temecula. So as part of your Industry 4.0 road trip to go and actually see manufacturers, we're happy we could be a stop on your tour. So my name is Benson Hougland. I'm responsible for marketing and product strategy here at OPTO 22. I've been with OPTO since 1995, and prior to that I was with a distributor and a system integrator up in the Rocky Mountain area. It's been a long journey for sure. When I came to OPTO, a lot of it was about converting a lot of content over to digital. I mean, if you think back in the day, it was the 90s, and so we're moving everything from printed documents over to PDFs. And it just seemed to be a logical progression of moving as much of this information as possible to digital. I'm a bit of a shutterbug myself, amateur photographer, whatever, and I get a kick out of it. So, we put together a program here to, try to shoot some videos, not anything like really in depth or, high production value, but something that we could, tell the story.
What'd you think of today?
It was great.
You liked it?
Insightful. And it was neat to see what it means to be made in America.
Yeah, I really like it. Benson was pretty chill, huh?
Yeah.
Alright guys, well, that's it. Peace out.